Now you can't see this right now, but I am right on the beach looking out across this lake here in the Pacific Northwest. It is so comfortable, I could fall asleep in these chairs. Now, first of all, I'm actually on artificial turf. This is just a shy over 100 square feet, 105 specifically. And this is really nice because all I have to do is come along here with a rake and comb up some of these ponderosa pine needles. I don't even have to mow this thing. I could come out here and take my socks off. Wonderful, but let's actually talk about the chairs for a moment, since these are incredibly comfortable. They're an Adirondack style chair, and these specifically are the walnut color finish, so kind of a lighter type look. If we were to situate them like this, they are actually able to fold up like this for easy storage, but honestly, they're tough enough that you could actually leave these outside. Obviously not in the winter time, but throughout the summer, just the rain just falls right off of them. It's not like those plasticky type Adirondack chairs. I actually was at a party yesterday and an elderly person sat in one of those plastic chairs and cracked it. These don't crack, even though you might be able to hear something. That's simply because it's natural wood squeaking against each other, but that in no way compromises the integrity or the structure of these chairs. So they store easily, extremely comfortable, and best of all, they just look amazing.